everyone, this is Kiva Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video, ang Barda compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's all watch this. Wait lang, parang mahaba ang video na to. Anong atake?
Oras na para magpaalam.
Ay, hindi siya natulog. Hindi pala siya natulog dyan. Badun yung ice cream ko. Ay, hindi pala siya dyan natulog. Kasalanan ko. Parang kasalanan ko. Ay, atake. Atake si Barbie. Ay, hindi pala siya dyan natulog. Gets, hindi talaga siya natulog dyan. Wait lang. Celebrity house. Ay, ito na. Wait lang, sorry, nawala ako. Ay, ano to?
Naging artista ako, marami ako. Naging part ako ng iba't ibang charity foundation. So, all thanks to Jenny din talaga. Kasi sila yung nag-introduce sa akin foundation. I used to be part of this.
May mga foundation pala talaga siya. See, not just beauty. Hindi lang siya maganda, kundi ang dami din palang foundation.
Was part of that foundation. I'm part of this foundation. Talagang tinutulungan overall.
Oh.
Manila, pero even dun sa
Can you imagine that?
so lahat, education, level support. Also before, I spent my birthday at this children's center.
Children's Center.
Personal choice ko talaga.
Ay,
To participate.
deserve to support talaga. No?
You're blessed.
Deserve to stand talaga siya.
You also have to be a blessing to others.
You have to also give back. Exactly.
Not just for your own personal gain. It is something. Yung klase ng yaman na hindi mo ipagyayabang.
Wow.
Move it forward. Kung meron ka mang maipagmamalaki yaman, it's that yung dami ng
Totoo yan. Oh my God, I love the sense. I love the sense.
So ayoko maramdaman ng ibang tao. So as much as I can, I want to help. Really in any way I can. Kasi naramdaman ko yung time. Ang hirap pala ng pakiramdam na walang pala.
Totoo.
Personal choice ko talaga na maging
Okay. Ay, ito na nagpaalam si Barbie. Ah, wait lang, Barbie, self-to-self sa ginawa ni Esther. Ah? No, wait lang. Itong kinakain niya, sugar to eh. Good luck talaga sa jogging ni Barbie dito. Iba-burn niya talaga. Ay, wait. Noreen Alfonso. Wait lang, ulitin natin to kasi teaser to ng view. Ay, Noreen. Manipis. Sobrang Latina. Sobrang Latina.
Self-aware. Obviously, ang pinakamaganda sa boardroom.
Ay,
Former rakitera, now a prestige product.
prestige.
I am the reason kung bakit may sold out in 3 minutes.
I sold out in 3 minutes.
So, I'm the main ingredient of it all. Beauty Empire? Streaming soon?
Mm.
Kasi tama ka eh. I mean, if you're blessed, you have to make sure na you also have to be a blessing to others. Kasi kahit sa malit na paraan, that's
Oo. Barbie's highlights with Easy.
not just for your own personal gain, pero it is something, it is the, yun yung klase ng yaman na hindi mo ipagyayabang. Alam mo yun?
Mm-mm.
Kasi, ano ka eh, you give it forward. So, parang, kung meron ka mang maipagmamalaki na yaman mo, it's that, yung dami lang natulungan mo,
Hmm.
na without them asking for it.
Mm-mm. Ang ganda ng kanilang conversation. Ay! May ano pala sila? Task? Wait lang, puro Barbie ang kami plan. Puro ano, PBB? Ay, ito. Oh! Cutie! Ang cute ni Barbie, no? Sobrang cute ni Barbie. Cute na kita ko kay Barbie. Pala talaga siyang baby. Totoo. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Ayan.
Busy yung friend mo eh.
Busy yung friend mo eh. Ako din pala eh. Okay, what's next? Ay, si David, saan to? Sir Attenborough. Girlfriend niya, ex niya, ex. Ito. May interview. Sino kayang pinaka-last? Si Marian? Second to the last. Sino kayang pinaka-last? Literal na Barbie talaga. Totoo ba? Mahaba pa yung bukil dyan, no? Bagay sa kanya yung maiksi ang buhok, no? Bagay na bagay sa kanya. Ito.
Amazing, of course. Magic Sarap.
Ganda niya talaga. Thank you, David.
For bringing...
Bakit hindi?
Magic Sarap, baka naman.
Oo nga, Magic Sarap. Sila yung endorser ng Magic Sarap. Oops. Kasama si Bianca. Ganda din ni Bianca, no? Ayan, ang camera. Naghihintay sila. Hindi mo picture. Naghihintay sila. Loko. Ang ganda ni Bianca, grabe. Ganda ni Bianca. Anyways, what's next? Ay, bakit naman may mga ganito? Ay, hindi na yan. Wala na yan.
I'd say
Ay,
Barbie
ito.
is the best actress.
Napinis niya talaga si Barbie.
And I really learn a lot from her.
I learned a lot from her.
So, yeah, I miss that. And syempre, throughout the years, the past 3-4 years, siya yung lagi kong ka-acting. So, nung ginawa ko yung film na Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan, of course, it was new to me na, wala si Barbie, nakakamiss pala na, diba? Kasi madalas ko nga siyang kasama. So, yeah, but then she's very supportive naman in everything that I do outside the love team, like with the single and also the movie, and then I think the next teleserye din, and means same goes for me, diba? Like, meron na siyang teleserye now, so I'm really happy for her kasi of course, you would wanna grow within the love team and outside the love team.
Oh my God. Ay, tapos na yun. Anyways, there you go guys. That's all for today's video. From Barda, this is Gage from Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!